as a scientist myself, it's so inspiring to see the works pouring into the next generation of scientists. So much so, I was later able to join the board so that I can help to inspire future generations as well. We need kids to know that they can be the next engineer, the next scientist. We need kids to be inspired to go into STEM. And not only that, but we need kids to see themselves. And so when the Works does community events like She Engineers, or they go into elementary schools to do science demonstrations, it's just really seeding our next generation of scientists, and that's so important. My hope is that we have more of our girls join those areas of science. They're brilliant, they're smart, they can do it. And the Works, we're doing the work to show children in our communities that they can be the next engineer and that they can go into STEM education, because engineering is everywhere and everyone can do it.